Why is this worth discussing? Because we are sitting in the lap of Mother Ganges, and we seem to be confused and lying through our teeth. We are calling ourselves a secular country when the government controls only Hindu temples. I would like to ask the Congress spokesperson, if you still believe we are secular, would you be all right if the state starts to control mosques and churches as well? You would say no. Then what kind of secularism is this? What kind of... Sir, I did not interrupt you. I want to finish in 2 points. Talking about Narendra Modi and, he's trying to milk all this. Well, who is stopping the Congress? When Somnath was to be consecrated, was it not Nehru who said, forbade the president to go to Somnath because he feared Hindu revivalism? Why is it that right from Jawaharlal Nehru to Rajiv Gandhi to Indira Gandhi to Rahul Gandhi, all of them have visited the Mazar of Babar, but none of them have visited Ram Janmasthan? Why is it? These questions need to be asked, Navika, because this is overwhelmingly a tolerant country, possibly because it is a Hindu country, a majority Hindu country, and you can't just take them for granted all the time. You can do it some of the time, but I'm sorry, Hindus are refusing to be taken granted now.
Ratnakar Tripathi.
Yeah, the punchline is, like Dr. Ranganathan said, it is a Hindu country. That is what I was saying.
Majority Hindu country.
And I think, please, sir, you said it.
I corrected myself.
It is not slip of the tongue. It is in your heart, sir. You spitted it out, nothing else. I am saying that Gaurav Mishra doesn't have any knowledge of Varanasi. That is what I am very sorry to say, Gaurav. There is a whole locality of more than 800 houses, which is called Hanuman Ghat. The priests are here. They are Tamil. I have studied from Central Hindu Boys School. And then from Banaras University, my mathematics teacher was Dr. Kalpana.
There was no school.
Please, Shantanu.
He did not say
Please, Shantanu.
No,
don't
let me catch a lie at least.
Shantu Vaitabhai is saying so.
Okay, fact check. Fact check coming up. You make your point. You make your point, and then we'll do the fact check. Okay.
My professor Kalpana Dravid taught me. My senior was Sanjay Dravid. My friends were Shankar and Raman, who lived in the same locality of Hanuman Ghat. That is a Tamilian locality. One more thing is there. Nearly 3 decades, the BJP is ruling this from this city. They have all the, MLAs, the mayors, the corporators, everything. और अगर गौरव मिश्रा कहते हैं कि यहाँ पे लुच्चे लोफर रहते थे, गंजेड़ी और हेरोइन पीने वाले पेशाब करते थे, टट्टी करते थे, if he is saying so, what were they doing? I don't believe it. That means they were in hand and glove with the drug peddlers.
Ratnakar, I'm sure you understand. I'm sure you understand. The municipals are not run by member of parliament. They're run by the state government. And the state governments are run by Samajwadi Party and BSP in the state.
Come on, no Samajwadi.
I am talking about the
Samajwadi Party. I will talk about Samajwadi Party.
The ghats are not controlled by the state government.
That's true.
Right? They are corporators. 30 years, please. Let me. And is he, rejecting the Narendra Modi's idea? कि पश्चिम में जन्म हुआ? अरे, he has categorically said, I am not a biological person. मेरा जन्म हुआ नहीं हुआ है. मुझे परमात्मा ने भेजा है. Then he said, मैं अविनाशी हूँ. अविनाशी मतलब ही स्टेट महादेव. क्या गौरव जी?
अच्छा,
आप नरेंद्र मोदी को कंडेम कर रहे हैं.
You said you are very religious, which is
No, I am not religious. I am spiritualist.
Spiritual. तो आप नहीं मानते आपको परमात्मा ने भेजा?
किसको?
आपको.
नहीं, हम बायोलॉजिकली पैदा हुआ हूँ ना सर.
आपको
मुझे मेरे माँ बाप ने जन्म दिया है. नरेंद्र मोदी को उनके माँ बाप ने जन्म दिया. उन्होंने कैटेगरिकली कहा.
I don't think
I am convinced.
That is not what he
I
said.
am convinced.
That is not what he said. This is not
the level of debate. That will be the level of
Okay. Counters.
मुझे जन्म दिया गया.
Counters coming in. Counters coming in from this side.
Just one liner. If this is the level of debate, that'll be the level of votes.
No, this is the level of debate. Because Prime Minister...
That will be the level of votes also and seats also.
The level of Prime Minister...
You don't worry about that.
He talks about Mujra. I don't know what Mujra is. Has he seen Mujra? How did it define? I have seen Nartan. नृत्य मैंने देखा है. मुजरा किसने देखा है? Has he seen it?
आपको शायद सफाई ले ली. शायद अखिलेश भैया आपको सफाई ले
It's a figure of speech and
want to say it.
अखिलेश भैया आपको सफाई ले लेंगे.
लेकिन इससे पहले कि गौरव मिश्रा जी बोले, मैं गौरव मिश्रा जी को भी फैक्ट चेक करना चाहती हूँ. आपने कहा राहुल गांधी ने वोट किया तो उनके पीछे जीसस क्राइस्ट की फोटो थी. मेरे रिसर्च डिपार्टमेंट ने फैक्ट चेक करके बताया है और उन्होंने कहा ये जीसस क्राइस्ट की नहीं थी. ये जो जो पेंटिंग थी 1932 पेंटिंग टाइटल मेडोना ओरिफ्लामा थी बाय वन निकोलाई रिरिच। तो मैं
What is the content? You just told the content was Jesus, Mary, and the Christ. That's a very famous, and the Holy Trinity was drawn. I can show you. I don't know. You just check with your content.
in his room he has a painting over there. The painting can be of whatever choice. Not
We got to know that his choice is Jesus, Mary. That's
I
all.
want to get all the things controlled by, like you said, na, government controlled temples, right? Let them control.
I want to give
It
an
is the
example
7
on
years
that.
of Yogi.
No.
I
Let
want
him
to give
control
an example
everything.
on that.
Why doesn't it possible
मैं आ रही हूँ
for that?
I want to give an example
गौरव
on that.
मिश्रा जी, गौरव मिश्रा जी।
First of all, I would give answer to Tahsin ji. Tahsin said that at that time there was no Congress government. So why Congress has claiming that the oldest party in this country, number one. Then Rahul Gandhi has leave the Gandhi title. Rahul Gandhi should leave. Rahul Gandhi should leave the Gandhi title. He should take his own lineage. Okay. फिरोज गांधी जी जिसको उन्होंने भुला दिया, छोड़ दिया। और रही प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी जी की जहां तक बात है, हमारे रत्नाकर भाई जो कह रहे हैं, उनको ये समझना चाहिए कि आज कांग्रेस की दुर्दशा क्यों है, क्यों यहां तक पहुंच गए। ठीक है, 30 वर्ष तक हम लंबे समय से हम उत्तर प्रदेश के शासन में नहीं रहे। 2017 में आए हैं और 2017 से काशी बदलना शुरू हुआ है। काशी बदलना शुरू हुआ है।
I object on that.
Counter-
I object on that. Your government was from 96 to 2002.
Yes.
I'm objecting.
There was Kalyan
See,
Singh government
listen to me. First, let me complete.
and Rajnath ji government.
First, let me
I will
complete.
give you the
And,
developmental
let me
record.
complete, please, sir. I'm requesting you, please let me complete. You have ruled 16 years. In last 30 years, the Uttar Pradesh. And you can't deny that. The facts and figures you can be checked by Nita. You can check it.
Can I say, एक तो पहली बात, it is so refreshing to meet such an erudite and soft-spoken SP spokesperson. मैं दिल तहे से आपको थैंक यू कहना चाहता हूँ। अभी
That's
हिंदी
serious
डिबेट से आ रहे, ऐसा
statement.
लग रहा था कूद जाओ यहाँ पे बचने के लिए SP spokesperson से।
हम बचा I'm a
लेकिन
professional
मैं-
doctor. I'm a professional doctor.
That
so
explains it,
you
sir.
do just
You are an asset to SP and you are our hero. I believe that. All doctors are. Couple of points I'd like to make.